Range Rover, small Range Rover, which is, as you can see, Evoque. I need to replace the door locker. This one, it doesn't close, sometime close, sometime not opening, so I need to replace, but I need to take off this side to replace it. All good. Opened. One screw here, one is there, and one is here, and then this is the side. So you need to take off the side to just catch the locker. Open this one. You need to take off the wire, and this is the locker. And now you need to open this one, which is, I need that one probably. Yes. So we need to take off this one as well. Let's see. You need to take off the screw from here, and then this one will come out easy. This will come out like this, and then you open this one. Actually, why I'm telling you what to do? You know why? Because you're watching now. Let's see. This have to come off like this, and then yes. So we ordered from Range Rover. It's £147, and this is the part number if you want to buy eBay somewhere. Wow, where they made from Germany. Why? You need to take off this 2 cable and put back on a new one. Put back both of them. Let's go. Where is it? Here. It should go this way. I believe need little bit adjustment. it. Now I need to put back rest of the parts. Need to put back this one. Put back everything. Doesn't go. Go, please. Please, please, please. Okay, finally. This, it's going to here. Yes. This will go back there. Yes. This, it will go back here, but you need to take out this. This one go here. And this was go here. And this too, it go back to the door. So time to put back this one. But one of them is there, two of them actually. So you have to take it off. You have to take off this one. Put back everything. All good. Need to put back 3 screws. And then all good. Let's see. Yeah. Now close. Open. It wasn't closing and it wasn't opening. Now it's good. That's it.